Hi everyone, and welcome to the third track of the student learning event today. My name is Jan. I work at Altair in Germany, and I'm happy to present you this track, which is all about simulation of multiple physical disciplines, which is covered by some of my colleagues. So Altair offers in his solution portfolio a lot of different solvers for different physics, like aerodynamics, fluid simulations for electromagnetic solutions, simulation for particle dynamics, simulations for communication and radar technology. And all of these are basically implemented in the Altair simulation student edition, but also in the full version, in the full license. So you can use any of those solvers within your Altair academic license. So first up is my colleague Matthias of Altair Germany, who together with the Technical University of Munich ECHO team showcases how to set up an aerodynamic analysis using the Altair virtual wind tunnel with the Altair solver UltraFluidX in the background. So UltraFluidX is a lattice Boltzmann solver, which together with the virtual wind tunnel is able to set up and determine the external flow around a structure like a car or a wing or any sort of geometry that you give into this virtual wind tunnel. So that's Matthias Leister giving the first presentation, followed up by my colleague Cesar Barreto. Cesar is working for Altair in the UK for the EDEM team. EDEM is a solver which is mainly used for simulation of particles, like for material handling, but also in the pharma industry, in the agricultural industry. It can be combined EDEM with fluid simulation, so you can combine the particles and the fluid flow. And of course, you can also combine the particle and the multi-body dynamic simulation, like shown in the video on the right, where the multi-body simulation will determine the motion and kinematics of the structure, and EDEM is covering the particle movement due to the contact with the structure. So that's the demonstration by Cesar. And finally up is my colleague Raja Devata of Altair in the US, giving an introduction into FICO and WinProp. So FICO is a finite element solver and basically structural and not structural, but electromagnetic solver for antenna design. So giving you an insight into electromagnetic fields and electromagnetic compatibility. Followed up by WinProp, which is a communication system simulation, for example, for simulating sensors in autonomous cars or for simulating Wi-Fi or communication networks within a building or a city. So that's the final presentation by Raja. But first up is Matthias. So enjoy and hope you learn a bit from the presentations and demos.